Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the boat type and the treasure spawn window so you know how long to delay. Once done, place your staging area near spawn but out of sight and mark coordinates. Next, assemble delay tools, a timer or repeaters, pistons or macros for movement control, and a visual marker. Make sure to check the server tick rate because it affects timing precision, and set your initial delay small to test before scaling to full length. Now you implement the precise delay logic so the boat arrives when the treasure spawns. First, build a repeatable delay loop using repeaters or a short script loop and measure each interval. Once that is stable, run incremental tests starting at 1 to 5 seconds, logging results and adjusting values to account for lag. Make sure movement commands and detection triggers are synced, otherwise you'll miss the spawn. If you use pistons, time extension and finish by executing the full duration delay and watch the spawn window while you capture the treasure. Once done, monitor results and add a small buffer time, typically half to 1 second, to compensate for network lag or server tick variance. If it fails, troubleshoot methodically. Isolate one variable at a time, rerun single-step tests, and reset timers or pistons between runs. Make sure you keep notes on successful intervals, so you can reproduce the sequence reliably next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.